Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. I'm using two indicator in this strategy, and both indicator are so awesome, and you will love it. So watch the complete video. Do not miss any point. Okay, and this video must will give you the accuracy of around 90% accuracy. Do not miss any point. Okay, I'm telling you again. Okay, let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel and must like my video. Okay, let's start the video. First, we have to watch the results in forex pair like euro USD or gold. Okay, in the gold you can see there is a strongly sell volume, so you need to go for the sell volume, sell trade. Okay, here you can see the sell trade, and it's definitely will give you awesome results. Okay, like here you got the sell signal and the volume is strongly red, so you need to go for the sell trade. Okay, at this point you can see the volume is changed now. Okay, but you do not need to follow this sell signal. Why? Because volume is changed to the green one. Okay, let me show you some of the results. This is 100% non-repeated indicator, will give you accuracy of around 90%. Okay, so I'm using two indicator here, the simple okay 4.8 and the volume 2. Okay, and when let me discuss first this indicator and then we will discuss this indicator. Okay, first this indicator will give you the band line and the RSI ribbon. This is the RSI ribbon. Okay, and this indicator will give you the buy and sell signal, and here you can see when the RSI ribbon is crossing the up and lower band line, here you can see there is a strongly you can say whenever the RSI goes downside from the lower band line, you will see the market will go upside. Okay, you can see, and when the RSI go upside from the upper band line, you will see the market will go downside. Like here you can see RSI goes upside. Okay, and you can see the market go downside, but at this point you can see RSI go upside from the upper band line, but you can see the market going upside. So what is the issue? Issue is about the volumes. Okay, because there is no volume of sell trade, so that's why the market go upside. So that's why I am adding second indicator, will give you the accuracy. Okay, let me show you some details. Okay, and so you had need to discuss first, you had need to understand this indicator, uh, band line, RSI, and the third thing, it will give you the buy and sell signal. Okay, so first indicator is clear now. Now we have need to discuss this indicator. This indicator will give you the volume indicator bars. Okay, row. When you will watch this row is very important. This row volume indicator is very important. And if you there are two types of signal. First one is the weak signal, and the second one is the strong signal. First we have to discuss the strong signal, then we will discuss about the weak signal. What are the strong signal? Strong signal are when you will see volume all rows are green. Okay, let me show you example so you can understand better. This one, when you will see all the row are green, so that's mean market will must go upside. You will get 98% chance of win trade. Okay, and the first thing, you got the buy signal. Second thing, RSI must touch to the lower band line. Third thing, all the rows are green. There is a 98 to 99% chance that you will win your trade. Okay, or you can say it's a 100% chance. Okay, I'm not telling you 100%. I'm using the word 98 to 99, because out of 100 you will get 98 trades successful if the all the rows are green and you got the buy signal and the RSI must touch to the lower band line. Okay, there are 98 to 99% chance that you will must win your trade. Okay, now let's see the example of sell trade. Sell trade is most recent one. Here is an example of sell trade, and this showing you the results in 5 minute time frame. You can use in any time frame, and I will also show you a live demo as well, because the mostly people demanding that can you please show me the live result. So I will also show you the live result. Okay, do not worry, just need to understand the strategy first. Okay, here you can see the R set touching to the upper band line. You are getting sell signal and all the rows are red. So this is the strongly sell signal. You will definitely win your trade, and you can see you almost win your trade. Okay, almost not almost, you 100% win your trade. Okay, so now you understand the strong buy and sell signal. Now we have need to understand the what are the weak buy and sell trades. Okay, what are the weak buy and sell trade? Weak trades, if you are looking for the weak trades, then you have need to consider only this row. Forget about this four rows. Okay, just watch this row. When this row is green, you need to follow buy signal, and when this row is red, you need to follow sell signal. Let me show you an example. Example of the trade is let me show you this one. Here you can see this row is red, but this one is green one. Okay, all are greens, but this one is red. So you can follow this sell signal, weak sell signal, and it's give you the profit here. Okay, let me show you more example. Here let me show you some more example. Here you can see this was actually a good one, but according to our scenario, this is not our trade. Okay, okay, this is the strong buy signal. Okay, this is the this one is a weak buy signal at this point, because this row is green. So you need to follow buy signal. You got the buy signal, and but all are red ones, so you can go for the buy trade. And at this point you can see all the rows are now green, so this is a strong buy signal. But this at this point there is it is a weak buy signal, but both are profitable and you got the profit. Okay, let me show you some more example. Okay, now this one, not this one, because when you got the sell signal, this was a green one, so this is not our trade. But if you need, you can go to the buy sell trade from this point, this candle. But if you go for the sell trade, you can see that profit is so small, so that's why I'm not recommended this type of trades. And what type of trades you have need to go? Let me show you an example. I show you the strong buy signal that will definitely will give you the 98 to 9% accuracy. Here you can see this is a very strong sell signal, and it will definitely will give you the profit. Okay, and here let me show you some more example. At this point when you got the sell signal, this was red one, so do not need to go for the. Okay, let me go for more example. Okay, now this one actually a weak sell signal, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, because in the weak signal we have need to consider only this row, forget about this one. Okay, just watch this one. Okay, and you will definitely will get the profit. Okay, okay, this one I think at this point you can go for the buy trade, but the candle is almost very close to the upper band line, so that's why I'm not recommended this one. Okay, I am only considering the perfect trade. Okay, like this one. This is just a weak buy signal. Okay, this one is a weak buy signal, and both are, you can see, you are both are giving you the good profit. Okay, and let me, here you can see this is a weak sell signal. You can see you got the profit here. Okay, and hopefully you will understand this concept of my strategy, and now you will be able to get good profit at the end of the day by using my this strategy. Okay, let's see the results in Euro USD, then we will need to move to the Forex and Indian market. I will show you the results in the Indian market as well, because the mostly Indian are contacting me for the Indian market. Okay, they want the indicator that work perfectly on Indian market. Okay, okay, now this one perfectly trade. Okay, this one another profitable trade. Okay, and this one is a buy trade. You can see you got the some profit here. Here you can see buy trade, and it's give you the some good profit here. Okay, okay, and this one sell trade. After that you can see the market goes upside. Okay, and still you can see you got some good profit here. So sometime happened it, and you will get some loss here, but at the end you can see you got some good profit. Okay, and let me show you for example they are perfectly trades. So far I show you the trades of around 30 plus trades, and out of maybe 20 to 30 trades I show. Okay, and out of 20 to 30 trades, one trade is unsuccessful, and I think it's not a big deal if you are getting loss in one trade. Okay, let me show you results in some other pairs, because this work perfectly on all pairs. Let's show the results in BTC, then we have to move to the Indian market. Okay, now let me show you an example. This one buy trade, perfectly trade, buy trade, perfectly trade, buy at, and successful trade, and now we have need to move when we got the sell trade. Now let's see the live demo. We have need to search for the live signal where we got the live signal. Let's see, because there are in the forex there are a lot of pairs, and I hope you will get signal in at least one trade. Let's see, we have need to switch the pairs, and then we have need to watch in which pair we are getting the sell signal, and you can see the results in live. These signals are not this signal come on time. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay, okay, not not ARB. Here you can see in this candle you are getting the buy signal, so that is not our buy trade, but I have to show you the signal come on time, it will not delay. Okay, so you can see, so we have need to wait for the live signal. Let's see. Okay, no signal, no signal. Okay, no signal, no signal. No, 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 no. APT, DP. So far, we are not getting any trade in the forex crypto market. We are not getting any signal. But you have need to choose watch one point. You can see RSI goes upside, and you're getting sell signal. Market goes downside. Here same scenario goes upside. Here same scenario, market goes downside, and hopefully market will go upside from this point. But we have need to watch a live signal. Market is downside, but this one is Okay, no, no, noted. I think in the whole Indian market, you are not getting any signal. Okay, no signal, no signal, no signal. All market is gone. Downside, Indian crypto market is downside. Okay, all India crypto market, all crypto market is downside, and you're not getting any signal. Okay, no, no signal, no signal so far in the whole market because today is Saturday, so forex market is off, so that's why I'm looking for the signal in the crypto market. No signal, no signal, no signal. Okay, this one is a strong sell signal. Okay, and you can see you got the profit here. This one weak signal, but at this point you got strong sell signal. Okay, so far no signal. I'm really sorry, I'm not getting any live signal, but I show you how the strategy is working, so that, I think you can use it in your account and you will definitely will get some good profit. Alpha, and no, so far no signal. How you can add the indicator in your trading view chart, I already show in my all videos, so I do not need to show how you can add this two indicator in your trading view. How you can get this indicator, the question, main question, how you can get this indicator. So let me show you how you can get this indicator. If you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, my indicators are paid, not hundreds of dollars, just in few dollars, not $2. In few dollars, you will get my indicators. And if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember @simple hoga 1, write 1 at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you do not need to join fake Telegram channels. Okay, just write 1 at the end and personal contact me on my Telegram. I do not have any Telegram channels. Okay, just personal contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. And hopefully very soon you will get a big surprise for everyone who are watching my video. Hopefully soon, very soon, you will get a very big discount of my indicator very soon, because I am developing my website and hopefully soon it will be ready. Okay, so if you need my indicators, you can contact me. I show you the contact details. If you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write 1 at the end must. And Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. For the next video, I think I give you the all details. Any further query you can ask me, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel, and for any query you can ask me. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.